$105, we got clock.
If you haven't taken the chassis wiring harness from the front of a S13, I'm pretty sure the S14 would probably be the same way. Check this out. This is actually, there's more that goes up in there, but this is the wiring that went around there. So yeah, so all that mess. But I'm seeing that, you know, they pull some of this stuff apart, cut the ones they're not using, strip the harness back, and they're shoving it back through that hole on the driver's side and pulling it back through and shortening and doing the installing some of the fuse boxes back actually in the cab of the car. So I just popped the back off of this assembly here, and I guess at some point somebody's spliced in this power wire into that thing. So that's what I'm working with, and this thing's a mess. So I don't know if I want to get into all that or just tie that up, you know, once we get it where we're getting it painted, pull it all out, throw it to the side, with it going back up in the engine or in the cab, and then when I get done, just pulling it all back around. And they do actually, like this fuse box, they will actually tuck it in here somewhere under the wheel well, locate it somewhere here, and I think the other fuse box, they'll do it on the passenger side. Worst case, we may just do that because that's a lot of wires. and I don't want to deal with a bunch of wires because I'm not the best with wiring. So I will admit that. It is what it is. But yeah, that's what I was talking about when I want to study the wiring a little more and see, you know, about shortening and cleaning it and pulling it back in through there and just kind of straightening it out or whatever. But all right, here we go. All right, I've got it down to where everything that's left is going to be on the inside, best I can tell. But yeah, let's take a look, see where
I'm feeling high. 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 I'm feeling